What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Kaylee Champagne and I'm a wellness competitor. Today we are going to be making some protein brownies. I love sweets. I'm a big sweet person, and sometimes you need a little oomph, a little extra protein. So let's make your sweets macro friendly and protein. These are the ingredients we'll be using today. Pillsbury sugar-free brownie mix, 1 egg, 100% pure pumpkin. You do not want pumpkin pie mix, you want pure pumpkin. Chocolate chips of your choice, Godiva, and a protein powder. I went with the lowest carb protein that I have, CTC by First Form, the Formula One. Cinnamon. So first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 350. Mine just went off, so it's preheated. That's the first thing you want to do. Then you want to grab whatever bowl you're going to use. I'm going to use this as my mixing bowl and one of these bad boys. First thing we're going to do is open this. Now you can use any box mix that you want. I just went with the sugar-free. And then pour it in. Next thing we're going to do is grab our scale, because we're going to measure 2 scoops. So turn the scale on and put 2 scoops of protein in there. It's obviously more than 2 scoops, but it goes off of how many grams. The scoop is never accurate. So now that that's all in here, I'm just gonna mix it around. If you have a chocolate protein, do the chocolate protein, but I thought this one would just be a good additive. Now I put this to the side. We're gonna do 1 cup of pumpkin. So we weigh it on here, and we're gonna just put out as many grams as 1 cup into here. Then we're gonna crack our egg. And it says do 3 tablespoons of water, but we're just gonna eyeball it and see how much we need. Now that this is mixed, I'm just gonna put some 0-calorie sweetener in it, chocolate flavored. It is got some sweetener in it, so I'm just gonna add a tiny bit. And then 1 serving of chocolate chips. give it a mix. You're then gonna oil up your pan, make it greased up. I just used the spray, but I'm just gonna mix it around with like a loose spray. And pour it in. So now you're just gonna put it in the oven from anywhere from 26 to 30 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. So the brownies are out. It was around like 28 minutes for me. Now I'm gonna let them cool completely before we cut them, and we're gonna cut them into 6 servings. We finally got Peanut in the bed with us. Peanut was not sleeping in the bed with us because too many bitches in the bed. You know, I feel her. But now she's in the bed. And you have protein brownies. So these are a little dense. If you want to make them less dense, you can put less pumpkin in it. But what's wrong with the dense brownie? They smell so good. So anyway, it's 6 servings. Macros are on the screen. You can obviously adjust it to fit your macros, or don't track it at all because not everyone tracks. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you give it a try, let me know how it was. But anyway, I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching.